Manipuri Youth Front of Assam (MYFA) also strongly condemned the murder of two Meitei students by Kuki terrorists. In a press release, the Youth Front recalled that the 𝐒𝐓𝐄𝐏𝐒 terrorists have been waging war against Meitei since May 3rd this year. The dream of a separate administration demanded by these terrorists shall remain a dream, added the front. It also condemned the atrocities carried out by central forces against students and Merapaipis. It warned of stern actions by Meiteis living outside of Manipur if the 𝐒𝐓𝐄𝐏𝐒 terrorists do not stop this war against Meiteis in Manipur. Manipuri Youth Front of Assam also warned of intense agitations against the Mizoram government if it does not stop helping 𝐒𝐓𝐄𝐏𝐒 at the earliest. It also appealed to the Manipur government and central government to restore peace and normalcy in Manipur at the earliest and to provide capital punishment to the killers of two Meitei students. The Youth Front also urged the Manipur government to take up steps for seamless travel of Meitei passengers on Imphal-Ziri Road.